Hi, everybody. Mitch Lieberman here, and I'm going to be presenting today with Toby Khan. We're part of the Fuel IX Agent Trainer product team. We're going to share with you today how realistic AI simulated training sessions are positive for onboarding customer contact center service representatives or contact center agents. It goes by many names. We're really excited to share some of the system capabilities and some demonstrations with you. The equation we're considering is simple. There's long onboarding times, which are expensive. We've seen anywhere from 8 to 16 weeks of onboarding time, and we want to reduce that time. The metric used is speed to proficiency, or how quickly a customer service representative or agent takes to be proficient and able to accept incoming customer service interactions by voice or chat. The goal is to maintain the customer service levels or CSAT scores, because this is what we're all measured on, and it's a measure and an indication of how our customers and the customers of our customers think we're doing. The challenge we're up against is 30 to 50% industry contact center agent churn rate. We don't keep people in the job long enough. There's a number of reasons for this, and we're not going to completely solve this problem, but we can reduce it, and we can also manage to it. So let me jump in, before we go to the right side of the slide, let me jump in to a simulation, and we'll work from there. What I'm showing you now is a customer service simulation, simulating someone who has their phone locked. What we try to do is we try to help trainees or new onboarded agents figure out what skills they need to develop in any particular scenario. So this particular one is going to work on their greeting, probe using effective questions, offer potential solutions, offer to assist, and active listening. And we'll get a score at the end. So let's jump right into it. Hi, this is Mitch. How can I help you today?
Oh, hello, Mitch. I'm Jane Smith. I'm having a bit of trouble with my new phone. It's locked, and I can't remember the PIN I set up. I need to call my sister, so it's quite urgent.
Hi, Jane. I'm here to help, and I'm sorry to hear that.
Thank you, Mitch. I appreciate that. I'm just not very good with these newfangled gadgets.
Okay, so from what you're sharing with me, it's a new phone that you recently purchased from us. Do I have that right?
Yes, that's right. I just set it up yesterday, and this morning it's locked. I'm just so confused. I thought I'd remember the PIN.
Well, one, we really appreciate your business, and let's work together to get you through this. Do you know if it's an Apple device or an Android device?
Oh, I think it's an Android. It's not an Apple, that much I know.
Okay, great. So you shared with me that you don't remember your PIN. When you were setting up your phone, do you remember any other way in which the phone walked you through some steps, maybe using your finger possibly on either the front of the device or the back to set something else up?
Oh, yes, I remember using my finger to unlock it when I set it up. Would that help?
It might. So I'm assuming that you have the phone right there with you and you're talking from somebody else's phone. Do I have that correct? Do you have the phone with you?
Yes, I have the phone right here with me.
Great. So do you remember where you used your finger to kind of set that up? Can you put your finger there, see if it works?
Oh my, Mitch, I put my finger on the back like I did yesterday and it opened right up. Thank you so much. I was so worried I'd have to go all the way back to the store.
Well, Jane, we're really happy that we could just quickly get you through this. What I'll do is, I'll send to you the customer website. So it has some training areas that maybe help you get more comfortable with the phone. Would that be something you'd like?
Yes, please, Mitch. That would be very helpful. I'm always afraid I'm going to mess something up.
Well, Jane, I think you'll be great. So really appreciate your loyalty and giving us a shout. You can reach out at any time. Is there anything else I can help you with today?
No, Mitch, you've been a lifesaver. Thank you so much for your help. I can call my sister now.
Great. Well, I'm going to hang up now and call back anytime. Bye-bye.
Goodbye, Mitch. I really appreciate your help. Well, I'm glad that's all sorted. Thanks again.
So the customer would be able to see an evaluation based on this. But what I'm going to do now is we're going to keep the energy high. I'm going to pass it over to Toby to walk through some of the rest of the session. But before that, I'm going to share my slide real quick so Toby can walk through the right side of that slide, and then I'll take over and he'll kind of help us understand some more of the capabilities of the system.
Thanks a lot for that demo, Mitch. As you just saw, Agent Trainer leverages AI simulations of customer conversations to help agents learn more quickly and effectively. Agent Trainer is not a replacement for traditional learning paths. We built it to be complementary. It's impossible to learn a complex skill by reading a book or listening to a lecture. You need to practice. And simulating a realistic conversation helps agents use the knowledge they learn in the classroom to confidently prepare for tough conversations with real customers. Agent Trainer helps reduce training times and costs with a reduction in time to proficiency of 25 to 50%. It also improves consistency of agent quality by ensuring that agents can learn and practice before they get into stressful situations. An Agent Trainer increases speed of proficiency for new hires, but it's also a valuable tool to help tenured agents who are struggling with current skills or need to ramp up on any process. It's also easy to create custom scenarios for any business. In fact, I don't think it's fair that Mitch always gets the easy calls. In a real contact center, agents need to deal with upset customers all the time. So I've made a couple of tweaks to the scenario that Mitch just demoed. It literally took a couple minutes before this call. So let's see how a couple of changes to this persona in the call changes things. So I'm just going to go ahead and share my screen. Good morning. My name's Toby. How may I help you today?
I can't get into my damn phone. It's locked, and I need to call my sister. This is urgent. What the hell am I supposed to do?
I'm very sorry to hear that. I'll be happy to help you right away. To better assist you, could you let me know if you purchased an Android phone or an Apple phone?
What's the difference? It's a phone. I bought it last week, if that helps. Just tell me how to unlock the damn thing.
Yes, of course. I'll be sure to help you right away. So first off, do you remember if you set up fingerprint or facial recognition tools to unlock your phone?
I think I did the fingerprint thing. Does that matter? I just want to get into my phone.
Great. That's a great place for us to start. So what we can do is please place your finger on the fingerprint sensor, which is usually located on the home button or the back of the phone. Hold it there for a few seconds and see if the phone unlocks.
Okay, I did that. Finally, it opened. Now, why didn't you tell me that in the first place?
I'm so glad it helped. Well, I'm glad we were able to unlock your phone. Just for future reference.
Yeah, whatever. Just don't waste my time next time.
Well, is there anything else I can help you with, Jane?
No, just go away.
All right. Well, thank you very much. I'm glad we could help. Have a great rest of your day. So as you can see by my demo, there's a very strong contrast between what Mitch demoed and what I demoed. And I was able to achieve that by just making a few tweaks to the scenario. So now I'm going to go ahead and share my screen and give you some additional information. Agent Trainer is now generally available and ready for any customer to use. So if you'd like to learn more about it, please head over to fuelix.ai, where we have all the resources you need to learn more about Agent Trainer. Thanks very much for watching us give you a little more information about Agent Trainer. We really appreciate your time.